Welcome to Cozy Corner Daily. Today, we'll explore 4 habits that can transform your week, especially when you're feeling exhausted. Let's dive in. Cleaning randomly keeps you busy, but doesn't truly clean your home. Establishing a short daily rhythm is more effective than dedicating one big day to cleaning. Consistency is key. Implement a 10-minute evening reset. Set a timer. Wipe kitchen counters, put dishes away, and reset the living room. This simple routine transforms your morning experience. Focus on one zone per day to avoid burnout. On Monday, tackle the kitchen. Tuesday, clean the bathrooms. Wednesday, sweep the floors. Thursday, organize the bedrooms. This approach ensures efficiency and prevents overwhelming yourself with cleaning tasks. Adopt the touch it once principle. Place items in their designated spots immediately rather than setting them aside for later. This approach prevents clutter accumulation and transforms your space efficiently. Implement the Sunday 20-minute walkthrough. Before the week begins, spend 20 minutes tossing items that don't belong, wiping surfaces, resetting spaces, and restocking essentials. This habit transforms the start of your week, making Mondays feel more organized and stress-free. For more tips on cleaning and family life, follow Cozy Corner Daily. Visit cozycornerdaily.com for full cleaning guides. Stay connected with us on social media at the Cozy Corner HQ.